This is Arlene for Boy Mozart, Boy Trazom. Yes, we're bringing the boy on this one. These are little flyers here. I believe that is the stealth bomber. It is on the Intrepid, which is like a Navy ship museum that is parked at Pier 86 in the New York City Harbor area, Hudson River. All right, stealth bomber. Yeah. They're here for the Independence celebration of 250 years for the United States, and on a very, very hot weekend. It's managed to get a little less than hot today. And yeah, we're at the West End Highway. There's an overpass, and that one right there isn't really an underpass. That's where there's a lot of boarding takes place. The ships are over there. You see a mast in the back with little flags. Those are some of the international ships. And right here at Pier 88, again, is the U.S. naval ships on this area right there. This is the International, yada yada, what does it say? International Naval Review. There you have it. Stealth bomber. So this area is about 86, Pier 86, all the way up to Pier 91. Right? If you look at the thing, it is very difficult to get inside. All the tickets are only standby, and the standby also is not being available anymore. Some there might be. Who knows? But you can definitely view it here. They also have it at the South Street Seaport, which is on the East River side, and also at the Brooklyn Bridge Park, which is also on the East River side. They are both right next to the Brooklyn Bridge. All right. That is Pier 17, I believe 16, and then also Brooklyn Bridge Park. All right, have a safe weekend. This is Arlene for Boy Mozart, Boy Trazom.